In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve the Gmail attachment error. If you've ever had trouble trying to attach files to your emails in Gmail, you're not alone. Many users encounter this frustrating issue, but the good news is we can troubleshoot and fix it with a few straightforward steps. So let's dive right in. Now, before we get started, the first thing you want to do is make sure your internet connection is stable. An unstable connection can sometimes cause issues when uploading attachments. Once you've confirmed your connection is good, let's proceed to open your web browser. While any browser can work, using Google Chrome is often recommended for the best compatibility with Google services. With your browser open, direct yourself to www.google.com. In the search bar, type in "How to fix Gmail attachment error" and press Enter. This search will provide you with a list of potential solutions, as Google is a helpful resource for tech troubleshooting. Now, once you have your search results, look for articles or videos that offer specific advice tailored to Gmail. Many tech websites and user forums provide detailed troubleshooting guides. Choose a result that seems credible, perhaps one from a trusted tech site or a recognized forum, and follow the instructions provided there step by step. These guides often cover common causes such as browser issues, antivirus software restrictions, or even problems with the file size limit. If those resources suggest clearing your browser's cache and cookies, it's a good idea to try it. This is a common fix that often resolves many browser-related hiccups. In Chrome, you can do this by clicking on the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, selecting More Tools, and then Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to check cookies and other site data and cached images and files before hitting Clear Data. Another solution offered might involve disabling any browser extensions that could be interfering with Gmail's functionality. To disable extensions, go to the three-dot menu, hover over More Tools, and click on Extensions. From there, you can toggle off any extensions you suspect might be causing issues, like ad blockers or specialized download managers. Remember to also check your antivirus or firewall settings, as sometimes these programs can block attachments for security reasons. If this is the case, consult your antivirus software's help section to learn how to make exceptions for Gmail. By following these strategies, you should be on your way to resolving those pesky Gmail attachment errors. I hope this guide helps to make your emailing experience smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and feel free to drop a comment if you need any more assistance or have additional questions.